Dear students, welcome in this video in which I will discuss about the superconductivity and its applications. I will discuss in brief about the superconductivity of the material. Superconductivity of the material is a properties due to which the material becomes extraordinary in this modern physics. In the phenomena in which the electrical resistance suddenly becomes equal to zero, that is known as superconductivity, and the material which shows this type of properties are known as superconductors. If I draw a curve between the conductivity of the material and temperature of the material, then this is a curve. Suppose we take temperature in x direction and resistivity in y dimension, and as we decrease the temperature, resistivity continuously decrease, and at 0 Kelvin temperature, suppose this is the resistivity, we can represent it by rho naught. It means at 0 Kelvin temperature, resistivity of the material does not become equal to 0. It becomes rho naught. At 0 Kelvin, electrical resistivity of the material is rho naught. If we discuss about the superconducting material, then in the case of superconducting material, this is temperature, this is electrical resistivity, and as we decrease the temperature of the material, resistivity continuously decrease, but suddenly at a particular temperature it becomes equal to 0. Resistivity becomes equal to 0, and that temperature, this temperature is known as critical temperature. Tc is critical temperature, and here resistivity is equal to 0. This is in case of superconductor. But below the critical temperature, this is critical temperature, below the critical temperature, it means when temperature is less than critical temperature, the material is superconductor. Material shows the property of superconductivity. But above the critical temperature, the material is a normal conductor. So there is a temperature limit which represents the conductor may be superconductor and a normal conductor. That is the critical temperature. Below, when the temperature becomes less to the critical temperature, it shows the property of superconductor, and if the temperature of the material is greater than the critical temperature, it shows the properties of normal conductor. In case of mercury, the value of critical temperature is 4.2 Kelvin. In case of mercury shows the properties of superconductor less than 4.2 Kelvin, and greater than 4.2 Kelvin it shows the property of a normal material, normal mercury material. So this is the definition of critical temperature. We can also represent the properties of superconductor and normal conductor by the help of a magnetic lines. Meissner effect. Suppose this is a conducting material and magnetic lines are passing through this conducting material. These are the magnetic lines. And this is a material which can show the property of superconductor. But when temperature of this material is greater than critical temperature, it behaves like a normal conducting material, and in this condition the magnetic lines can pass through the normal conducting material. But when temperature become less to the critical temperature, it means it behaves like a superconducting material, as we have earlier discussed. Now this material becomes the critical temperature if now this material becomes the superconductor if magnetic lines try to pass through this material, it repels to the magnetic lines. It does not allow to pass through the magnetic lines. It repels to the magnetic lines. It means the magnetic lines pass through the material like this. Magnetic lines cannot enter inside the material. These are the magnetic lines. It expels to the magnetic lines. This is the property of superconductor. It means when material convert into superconductor, when temperature of superconducting material become less to the critical temperature, when property of superconducting material come inside the material, it repel to the magnetic lines. This effect is known as Meissner effect. In this situation, if we increase the intensity of the magnetic field, then some magnetic line starts to penetrate inside the material, and the value of magnetic field at which the material convert into the normal conducting material, that is known as critical magnetic field, represented by Hc. It means if we apply magnetic field on the superconductor, then superconductor does not allow to penetrate the magnetic lines inside the material, and after a critical magnetic field, the material allow to pass the magnetic lines through the material. It means below the critical magnetic field, the material is superconducting material, and beyond the critical magnetic field, the material behaves like a normal conductor. So there is two parameters of superconductor. One is critical temperature. Below the critical temperature, the material behave like the superconductor, and after the critical temperature material behave like the conductor. And second parameter is critical magnetic field. Below the critical magnetic field, the material behaves like the normal superconductor, and after above the critical magnetic field, the material behaves like the normal conducting material. So this is a small discussion about the superconductivity and its application. I hope it will be helpful to you all. Thank you.